Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to read a new chapter. It's respiration. It's chapter 4. We will read today lesson 1 and 2. Every plant and animal has life. For every physiological function in the body, energy is required. In the cytoplasm, energy is stored in starch, carbohydrate, protein, and fat molecules. In every organic cell, for all organic reactions, oxygen is essential. Actually, the potential energy trapped in food from solar energy is converted to kinetic energy and heat energy by oxygen, which is the primary aim of respiration. With this energy, organisms take food, move, excrete, grow, reproduce, and perform all other physiological activities. Respiration is a kind of burning process where foods are oxidized to release energy. Okay, from this chapter, we will be able to explain the energy producing process, to describe functions of main parts of respiratory system of animals, and to describe causes and symptoms of disease of respiratory system. So we will know later. And now lesson 1, respiratory system. Energy is necessary for performing different physiological activities of living organism. This energy is produced by the process of respiration. Oxygen is used to burn the cellular food in the body of the organism. As a result, energy and carbon dioxide is produced. So, respiration is a physiochemical process where food is oxidized in presence or absence of oxygen. And potential energy stored in cellular food is converted and released as kinetic energy, and potential energy stored in cellular food is converted and released as kinetic energy and heat energy, and consequently carbon dioxide is produced. Okay, respiration is a metabolic process. In this process, every organism takes oxygen from atmosphere and release carbon dioxide. Few lower plants and animals complete respiration process without oxygen. In every case, carbon dioxide is released. Respiration is a continuous process that occurs and day and night in every living cell of plants and animals. Respiration in living world. Respiration is an intracellular metabolic process. This process is living. Cells of plants and animals is alike. But the process of taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide vary in different organisms. In plant body, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide during respiration is comparatively simple. Plants do not have any definite respiratory organ. Oxygen enters inside plant body through stomata, lenticels, and intercellular space. Okay, and intercellular space. Okay, um, animals respire through different organs in various ways. In lower animals, respiration occurs mainly through skin and trachea. Higher animals have special respiratory organs for gaseous exchange, such as fish and tadpoles perform these activities with the help of gills, and higher vertebrates with lungs. These are lungs. Okay, now We will prove the energy production in respiration. For this experiment, we need some materials, two thermoflask, two thermometers, some germinating seeds, and water boiled gram seeds, and some normal germinating seeds, and one rubber cork or some uh, cotton or with a hole. Okay, we can see the experiment in a video. Okay, let's see the video. And these are some pea seeds or gram seeds, and um, these are for germinating seeds. These are germinating seeds. And in another beaker, some boiled seeds. We will boil some seeds uh, to perform our experiment. And I put the germinating seeds in a flask A and boiled seeds in flask B, and see what happens. And we will insert a thermometer in the mouth of each flask and seal the mouth with moist cotton or cork. Okay, rubber cork. Okay, moist cotton or rubber cork will keep the seeds moist and also allow air to enter the flask for respiration. For respiration to take place. Now, what happened? And remember the temperature on both thermometers of the flask, and keep we will note the level of thermometer placed in thermoflask with germinating gram seeds and the boiled gram seeds. The temperature reading in after some hours, the mercury level of thermometer in flask A rises, but there are no rises in the temperature reading in the second thermometer, that means in the boiled thermometer flask number B. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? And here in our textbook we can see two thermoflasks are there, two beakers are there, thermoflask and thermometer we place uh, in the mouth of the beaker or thermoflask, and after a few hours the mercury level of thermometer placed in first thermoflask is raised up, and due to releasing heat, but in another mercury level of the thermometer remains unchanged because no heat, this is boiled here, no heat was released in this boiled seeds thermoflask. Okay, so now question is, why does the mercury level in thermometer placed in thermoflask with germinating gram seeds change? What does it mean? It produce heat. It produce, these are germinating gram seeds and this produce heats, and the mercury level of the thermometer is raised up. Okay, uh, what is proved by this? This proved that energy, that means heat, production of energy or production of heat can be proved by this experiment. Production of energy is happen in this thermoflask. Okay, now that's all for today's class, my dear students. I think you have all understood what is respiratory system, what does it mean, why respiration is important for living organism, and where respiration occurs, in which in a living organism respiration occurs. There is no respiration in dead seeds, okay, boiled seeds, where no uh, life is remained. Okay, that's all, my dear students. Hope that we will learn another lessons in our next class. Um, it's about respiration uh, in plants, in animals, how respiration occurs in plant body or in animals body. We will know in our next class. And thanks for joining this class today. Thank you all.